ounces of tempeh, which is 1 pack. Then we have 1/2 cup of vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, vegan, 1 teaspoon of
Liquid smoke.
1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And this is, you're going to let your tempeh marinate overnight. 3 tablespoons of Veganized. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of Veganized, which is vegan mayo. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of white chopped onions. Instead of the prepared horseradish, we're going to add the sandwich spread that I showed. And then we're going to add 1/3 cup of that. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of hot sauce, a teaspoon of vegan Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, some salt and pepper to taste. Toast our bread really nice. Heat up our sauerkraut, and voila, there you have it. The corned beef Ruben, veganized. Enjoy.